Hey everybody, this is Aladriel from the Cosmic Embassy, and we just wrapped up the 2019 season. Wanted to give you the super juicy moments. A lot of big projects coming in, that's why it's been a little bit of interval since we post, but it's going to be worth it, you'll see. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and like this video. Love you so much, enjoy!
And let's not forget the Cosmic Embassy tea house over there. Actually, it's really amazing tea. Yeah. Go check that out.
They have a special blueberry avian tea. Blueberry avian. Okay, there we go. So yeah, you guys definitely want to get some. It's awesome. Great people over there. Great energy. So, and it's also amazing how many synchronicities that have happened.
Welcome to the Cosmic Embassy podcast. Number one, Aladriel. I'm the founder with Street Bite of the Cosmic Embassy Tea House. We go to festivals and events all around the world and in the universe, and we tell people about aliens, we tell people about anti-gravity tech.
You know what I'm saying? Equilibrium. Everything wants to move in harmony. The universe actually has your interest in mind because you're part of its body, yo. That's why love pervades. You know what I mean? When there's problems, they kind of just fix themselves because it's all in the flow, like the water going down the hill. You know what I'm saying? Like the river, it like washes the shit away. You know what I mean? And it's like all crystalline and pure and amazing and endless. Yeah. Like that deep spring, like when your roots go all the way down, you don't need anybody or anything or anything, because you have the nourishment of the whole universe within and around you, and you're infinite, so like you can't even fuck up. You have infinite tries, you never done anything wrong, all the doors are opening. Feel a sense of peace. It's all good. Just say fuck it. Drink some tea. You know what I mean? Aliens are real. You heard it here first. We already got teleportation technology. Yeah, there's like this massive amount of advancement that's been hidden from us. The human story is quite epic and ancient, and we didn't start here. But have no fear, because the universe is your friend. When you step into the truth of yourself and you just fucking flow. Yeah, like sovereign, you know what I'm saying? You wanna know the definition of sovereign? Commanding absolute authority within a limited space. Like my body. Great example. And then that. Fractal of that would be like the state, and then the country, and then the planet.